Gonna guess my battery went dead. I don't know what happened, but okay, I tasted it. It tasted real good. I added 1.5 tablespoons of the traditional yeast. And here we go. Look at this. This is lovely to me. All right. Okay. Hello, Vegan Mama Me here with Vegan Baby Nino. Vegan Baby Nino, say hi. Hi, how is everyone? We're having some dinner tonight with yous. And Baby Vegan Nino. We'll put this here until we're done. Okay?
Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Look.
You see my beautiful plant? I forgot to show that to you. My boy gave that to me, my Junie. Yeah, the 17-year-old. Isn't that nice? So nice.
Pop.
All right, let me lower this just a drop. I'm going to show you what plate. This is, I'll get your ketchup. Yes. This is Nino's racing car. This was so delicious. I had Bella and Nino last night, and I still have Nino today. And I said, if I don't do the mukbang, I'm going to have 2 days without one. Tomato. Yeah. Egg. That's not an egg. That's a tomato. Tomato. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. Tomato. Now, hold on. So anyway, we thought I'm going to give you ketchup. I'm going to give it to you. Hold on just a minute. Let me make sure it's not too cold or too hot. No, it's lovely. Anyway, lovely. Yeah. So what Baby Vegan Nino has here is... Well, let me get his ketchup first. Everything gets dunked. He's got to dunk his pasta. Okay? You okay? Your pasta. So he will dunk. It's not hot, honey. It's not hot. He will dunk his pasta in his ketchup. We went to Sam's yesterday. Me, Bella, and the baby. Sam's Warehouse. Not hot. Not hot. And no, you eat. They had this as a sample they were giving out. And my kids absolutely fell in love with it. And I said to the girl, can you tell me how you made that? So the noodles are made out of Chic Pea and lentils. And then you just add a little bit of oil, some olive oil, tomato, cook it up. And I put some garlic on here. And when I tell you, these 2 children absolutely loved it. They just can't get enough of it. So I bought a great big thing of it so I can give it to the kids. And myself, of course. And what I have here, this is hot. So we don't want to touch this, honey. Okay? What we have here is cream of broccoli cheese soup. Can we put our foot down when we eat? Thank you. And you're dropping it, so let's try to keep it on the table, okay? Thank you. How about you? Thank you. Can you say thank you? Let me hear you. Thank you. Yes. Our little Nino here is 19 months, 20 months, 21 months maybe. This is, yeah, the cream of cheddar, if you want to call it cheddar. broccoli soup. And it is so, so good. I'm going to put up my recipe. And I'll put a link with this video so you can see it. And it's really, really delish. I kid you not. This is so, so good. And I didn't use any cheese in it. I used the, okay, now let me think of nutritional. It's been a hectic couple days for sure. You can just about imagine. So I thought today the baby was going to go home, actually. And my boy... You want your hat on? You want it on? Okay, sweetheart. Does it come? No, can't wear it like that. He's got his hard hat on. Oh! It's a little too big, Bubba. Big. So my 17-year-old took them home for me to my daughter, and he wasn't home 5 minutes, and my daughter called me and was like, Mom, I am so, so sick. There is no way I can keep this baby. So I was like, but my mukbang, I have to do my video. And then I said, forget about it. I'll come and get him. So I went back and got him. And it's a good thing, right? My baby likes being here. This is, yeah, this is a chip. Want one? Yeah? Okay, you can dump this. How's your dinner? Is it good? Good? Yeah? We'll see. I don't know. Have you guys ever seen these? Sweet potato chips. Have you seen these before? These are excellent. Of course, they're vegan. And, I mean, they're really good. I opened these up when I came out of the grocery store. I was hungry. Not today. A couple days ago. And I ate like half the bag. They are excellent. So in my cream of broccoli soup, is it good? Yeah? I put potatoes, broccoli, carrots, onion, garlic, celery, some cashew milk, I thickened it up just a drop, tablespoon of cornstarch, and that's it. It's good to go. It took me in my iPot or my Instant Pot. I just shortened it a little bit. Instead of Instant Pot, it's an iPot. I'm not endorsing Instant Pots, but I'm telling you, they are more ketchup. Okay. They are amazing. My soup took 6 minutes. Oh! Oh! I'm talking and I almost put the hot sauce on baby's food. Oh no! You were looking at me strange. I'm like, why are you looking at me like that? Thanks for letting me know, Bubba. Yeah, you don't want that. That's hot. Hot. Yeah, you don't want that, baby.
Baby.
Baby. Who's the baby?
Mama.
Mama's the baby? You the baby. What? I didn't put nothing on it. No, you didn't get any hot sauce. No way. What's wrong?
Nina.
Okay, tomato, put it here. He likes tomatoes, but he don't really like the skin. Skin.
Nina.
You scared me. I thought I dropped a little hot sauce on there. More? I didn't hear thank you. Huh? What a good boy he is. Yes, he is. Who's a good boy? You a good boy? Okay, thank you. Watch what I'll do with this. Watch. Oh, I didn't mean for you to stick the whole thing in your mouth, silly goose. So yeah, that's what we're eating tonight. And
Shush. What's that?
What's this? What is that? You need some? Water? Okay. Baby needs water. All right, baby. This baby's a good baby. Right? And he's very tired, so hopefully... What? The light is very hot, yes. He sees my lights that I'm using for filming. Very hot, yes. Let's eat our food. Dunk. Yeah. So. Napkin. More ketchup? You ate all that? He doesn't eat without ketchup. I don't really know how he got into this. He'll eat mustard the same way. My boy, the other boy, Junie, the 17-year-old, was eating cereal this morning. With bananas. Nino decided, oh, careful, honey. Daddy, watch now. Oh, it did spill. Yo, mister. Yo, mister. Careful. No, not while we're eating. What are you doing? Yeah, we're worried about... Yeah, but let's eat. Look, let's eat. Eat. Yeah. No. He decided he wanted to sit on Junie's lap while he was eating. So he was eating the cereal with Junie, and Junie had bananas. Don't you know? Junie had to get him ketchup so he could dunk the bananas in the cereal in the ketchup.
Duck.
You know what I say? As long as he eats, I don't care. He's not getting that much ketchup, that much sugar in the ketchup. You know how we sometimes struggle with our kids eating. And he pretty much will eat anything if he's got some ketchup.
Duck.
More? Yeah, but you're not eating your noodles. Last night you ate a ton of them. I couldn't give you enough. Maybe they're a little bit more drier now. Yes, thank you, because you will fall with that. Thank you.
Paw.
Mm-hmm.
Paw.
You'll fall over the cord.
Good.
Yeah. You see yourself in there? Me too. Let's do faces like this. Watch. Let's do like this. Let's look at the camera and go like this. And smile. Thumbprint. Woo! Yeah. Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey. Mm-hmm. Honey. Who's honey?
Pop. Pop.
What are you saying, honey?
Paw.
Ball?
Paw.
You will fall. That is correct.
Boom.
So guys,
Boom.
I'm sorry I can't do too much. Boom, yes, boom,
Boom.
boom. That I can't do too much talking to you guys, but you know, I figured at least I could get the mukbang.
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 Tell them, do you like football? Tell them about football. Football. Mm-hmm. Ah, with the helmet? Okay, no. You seen the boys using helmets when they were playing football. Mm-hmm.
Woof. Woof.
Woof.
At.
Hat.
Woof. Woof.
Who else was wearing the helmet today?
Joe.
Jew? Does Hawk wear the helmet? Mm-hmm.
And.
He loves Hawk. I gotta put Hawk on all the time for him. And there's like, it's Disney Hawk with Mickey Mouse and
Mickey.
it's called Disney Cars, and there's all different motorcycles. Like, yeah, like you have, right? You have a motorcycle. We're not gonna go get the motorcycle right now. We'll show them later. Right now, we're gonna eat. Uh-huh. Look, I'm almost done.
That.
Look.
Mickey. Mickey. Mickey.
Mickey, yeah.
Mickey.
Yeah, come on, eat your food, Bubby. Oh, this is so good. For something that takes 6 minutes to make, okay? I mean, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. I ate this big bowl, no problem. I love it.
Love it.
Love it.
What?
You love your food? Where's Bella? Where'd Bella go? Huh? She went home? Yeah?
Mama. Mama.
She went with Mama? Mama's sick? Yeah, Mama's sick.
Mickey.
Mickey. Come on.
Eve.
Yeah, let's eat, okay? So guess what me and baby vegan Nino's having tonight? We're having some so delicious. What you doing up there? Don't get too hot. It's hot. Don't get too close to the light. Come over here, please.
8.
Hot. The light is hot. And come eat your macaroni. Come on. We're having some so delicious ice cream. Nino's having vanilla ice cream. And Hun, what am I having? More? Hun is having the salty caramel, so delicious. Have you guys had that? That's really good. Mickey, yeah. When I eat it, I only have, I don't know, a couple scoops of it. I kind of get tired of it fast. What, honey? Oh, yeah, that is, what is his name? Let me think of what his name is. Pluto? Goofy. Goofy, yeah. Turn around so you can see the camera, baby. Look at this pretty boy. He is so pretty. Yeah. Pretty. Pretty. So we're going to watch The Grinch tonight, which is his favorite movie. And eat our ice cream. Have a little party. You don't want to dunk in here because I put hot stuff. You got still dunk, look. You didn't do too well. More? More? Hey, listen. You didn't do too well with your macaroni. Ah, I did it again. Thank you. Can I have a kiss? Give me kissy, kissy. I'm going to give you a dunk. Give me kissy. If I put ketchup on my lips, will you kiss me? Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. On the mouth? No, I was kidding. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Yeah, here. Mouth. Kiss, kiss. Can you tell everybody bye? Bye. Subscribe, like, comment.